not say I love you in Yoruba?
Afro my love.
Hi guys. So for a while now I've been teaching my man how to speak Yoruba. So today I'm going to be catching him unaware to see how well he's doing so far. Come with me. He's pressing his phone. My baby. Take. Take mic.
I should take mic.
What are you doing?
What of brown?
I don't know. Sit up. So I've been teaching you Yoruba now for a long time.
What happened?
Calm down.
Calm.
Just calm down. So here's a list of everything I've been teaching you. Yes.
You not even tell me that you want to do quiz.
No be quiz now. Just
you want me to disgrace myself now?
It's just test.
It's test.
You know what, all this kind of tests they used to do when you were in school, impromptu. So today,
Yoruba get impromptu.
I used to be impromptu. So how do you say good morning in Yoruba?
Ekaro.
Okay, if it's good morning, sir, good morning, ma. How do you say it?
Ekaro, daddy.
Okay, so how do you say good evening in Yoruba?
Ekason, ekorole.
Pick one.
Ekason.
So how do you say afternoon? Good afternoon if it's ekason for good evening.
Okay. Afternoon is ekason. Sorry.
So what is good evening?
Ekorole.
Ekorole. So what is good night?
Ekubadu.
Oh, it's not bad. Which one is badu? Is that what I taught you?
I don't know that. I know Ekason. I know Ekaro. I know Ekrole. I don't know which one is good
What
night
is
again. How can it be night inside?
Okay, so good evening can be Ekrole or Ekale.
Ekale.
Have you heard of Ekale before?
I've heard of Ekale before.
You've not heard it? I not teach you.
I've heard it now.
Better.
This your teaching, sir. Or more, you can be a bit person for class.
So, what?
Oh, yeah, nah.
How do you say how are you in Yoruba?
Let
me look at
Cake.
I go break your head. Oh. I go break your head. I did not say Igbo. Yoruba. Monna. Sure, you know this is the simplest Yoruba. After good morning, after greetings, it is.
Bawoni, come online. Bawoni, come online. I've come online now.
Yeah. So, how do you say I am hungry in Yoruba?
Mo fẹ́ jẹun. O ti jẹun. Ṣé o ti jẹun?
What I beg.
Something jẹun sha.
No. I am hungry. There is no gel in it. I am hungry. Ebi ń pa mí. Ebi.
Oh, ebi pa mí mono. That one is to say mono.
That one is a proverb. Ebi ló ń pa mono ku. That
okay,
one is a bad proverb. Not even good thing.
Okay.
So how do you now say I want to eat?
Mo fẹ́ jẹun.
Oh my God. Now only this one you try. So how do you now say? How do you now say I love you in Yoruba?
Afro my love. Wait. What is
love?
Love is Ife.
What is you?
You is you.
What is I?
I is Mo.
Okay. Then Mo
Mofe.
What is love?
Mo Ife.
So what is you?
You Ife. I don't. Oh.
I love you is Moni Ife.
Money Ife.
So you know when you get to the village, you're going to greet them. Ekrole, because it's going to be in the village.
You know about them. Ekrole.
Well, so after greeting, then you now be like, I am happy to see you in Yoruba. So now in Yoruba it is mentun lati
I'm not gonna remember that
You
thing.
will remember.
I'm not gonna
You will
remember
start
that thing.
singing it from now till then.
What would do, my
No,
baby?
so it will cancel
Let me tell you
you
what
out.
we'll do.
Tell me.
We'll use the earpiece. You just be telling me the words. I will just be saying.
So you even try first. Oh yeah. I am happy to see you.
That's what we talk now. It has gone. Otilo.
Oh God, just try.
It has Lord.
This is the same thing you've been doing. That's why you did not know anything.
It has Lord from my head. Say it again.
It has Lord. Otilo.
Otilo.
I am happy to see you. Inú mi dùn. Say it first.
Inú mi dùn.
Láti rí yín.
Láti rí yín.
Yín. So say it together.
Inú mi dùn. Láti rí yín.
You don't have to shine your eye. Inú mi dùn.
Inú mi dùn láti rí yín. Inú mi dùn láti rí yín. Inú mi dùn. I beg, we will try that another one next time.
Anyway, yeah, so that's all for today. So next time I will catch you again. You know what I'll do?
Me, I will do my own.
Wait now. If I come next time and you don't get any of these things, you know what I'll do?
What?
One of your perfumes. You have Lord.
My perfume will not Lord anywhere.
It will Lord because
it will not Lord.
It will
not Lord anywhere.
I will give you your own copy. You go and learn.
You know I don't joke my perfumes.
We are now.
Guys, I don't joke my perfumes.
We are now. You don't joke with your perfumes.
Okay.
You will tell me that one later.
Okay. Down to the ratings.
Can you rate yourself? How well do you think you did?
10 over 10 now. Minus nothing.
Minus nothing. Minus what? 1,000. You did so bad. Like, you did not.
But I got like 3. Out of like the 10 questions you asked me, I got like 3. And I did like 4 fairly.
Out of how many questions?
About 10 or something like that.
So 3 out of 10 is what?
It's pass mark now for somebody who don't know Yoruba. Who don't hear Yoruba.
Pass you. Now me go pass you. Now me you'll be your teacher.
Oh yeah, pass me. Pass me, teacher. Wicked teacher. Pass me.
Minus. Okay, let me rate you well, Sha. You got good morning, good afternoon. No, you did not get good afternoon. You only got good evening. Even Bawoni, you don't know. My baby is minus 0.5.
But I said come online.
10. Come online. It's minus 0.5 over 10.
Minus 0.5 over 10. Wickedness will not finish you. I'm done.
Now you know one here.
I'm done.
So guys, we have come to the end of today's class, and I don't know how well my baby did do, but I don't know. You guys should judge for me, please. So yeah, we'll be bringing you lots and lots of fun content. Kindly stay tuned to this channel. Click on the subscribe button, follow, like, share, and we'll be bringing you so many beautiful fun content. Bye.